first listed this property, but you did the bare bones in terms of marketing, and now you get a do-over.
And how am I supposed to get a do-over exactly?
With this.
An iGUIDE? But how?
We've gone back to the day you got the listing, but this time we've harnessed the power of iGUIDE. It's 2025, not 1985. You need to stand out in today's market. The iGUIDE is all that and more. Immersive virtual tours, accurate floor plans, lead generation tools, analytics. It's everything you need to market your listing online.
Far out. And did I mention listings with iGUIDE sell 39% faster than photos alone?
Make sure you have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads, where I'm going, I won't need any roads. I'm going to Cabo.